Hello, it's Craig Bushon with the Home Energy Solution Show. I'm here with John Bellamy with IntegraSpec. Tell us about what we're doing out here today.
Today we're building an insulated concrete form house. We started with the guest house. This is something that we started on Tuesday during the tropical storm. Worked through it. We have approximately 7 hours into this. We're pouring it right now. We're actually doing the final pass, and break the walls up, we'll be done.
Well, what's unique about this type of build is not something you traditionally see. First of all, I don't see piles of wood everywhere. That's the first thing I don't notice.
Yes.
Second thing, I see this contraption over here. What are they doing? They're pouring concrete, pumping concrete?
Yes, concrete pump. We're pouring about an 8-inch slump. We're bringing it in at a 4, and then we'll add water reducers. And the water reducer, what that'll do is move the concrete up for about an hour, and then it'll go back to its original state, 4-inch slump. That'll allow them time to put the concrete in place, get the walls just plumb, and then the concrete everything set.
So IntegraSpec, what you do specifically is this. This is your baby. This is something that you focus in on. So this is something that you do every time the same way, which means there's a system to this, right?
Yes.
You teach people how to do this. Part of your expansion, I guess, into Texas is to get more people to build this way. And I got to tell you, folks, as you know, those of you who listen to my show and watch us on the radio right now, if you will, that this is the type of thing that you have to get your mind wrapped around. The cost of building this way is not nearly what you think it is. There's a lot of bad information out there. Traditionally, most builders are not going to ever talk to you about this. That's what we're changing now. There's a new technology revolution happening. And what I love about what IntegraSpec's doing is that they are pioneering that here right in Texas, and I'm glad to be a part of it here, because ultimately, you know, John, a lot of people think that it costs 50% more to build this way. That's not true, is it?
No. If people are going energy efficient, the 2x6, the heavy insulation packages, 3 to 5%, but we're also starting to see where that's evening out, where it's kind of a wash. You need to take into consideration there's a lot of steps that we eliminate. We're not insulating, we're not putting on Tyvek, we're not putting on plywood, you don't see any of that. This is a one process deal, 7 hours, it's up, and we're done.
You know, and that's the big thing too. Homeowners can get involved in this. How often do you ever have a process that you can actually be a part of when it comes to building your home? Because this is really hands-on, isn't it? This is something that a homeowner can get involved in if they really want to. In the design of it. Also, they can even learn how to stack one, I guess, what do they call it? Is it a brick? Is it a block?
It's a block.
So you get a block, you stack it on one on top of another. You can actually show them how it's going to be built, and it's very user-friendly.
It's very user-friendly. We have a lot of customers that have built their own houses. They usually do a very good job because it's their home, and they want it to be, perfect. You don't need a lot of equipment. You can see a chop saw, table saw, a screw gun, and the braces, rim braces. So if people want to do it themselves, minimal amount of equipment, and they're off and running.
Well, I'll tell you, folks, this is first of many segments that we're going to do on this type of a subject. You need to understand that this is not the future. This is really the past. This type of product isn't something that's just brand new to the market, like they're just figuring it out. There's a lot of hours and a lot of experience behind this type of construction, and especially with IntegraSpec, they have that experience. They have the hands-on. And in other segments, look for other ways that we show how they're built. What are they made out of? What kind of rebar is used? Hey, how about high wind areas, storms? You want to build your own house and you want it to last for generations. You're going to find that this is one of the best ways to do it. And again, I want to thank you, John, for standing with me here today. Let me tell you something. I'm excited about this. Again, it's Craig Bushon with the Home Energy Solution Show. We'll see you again.